Are you in search of how to make professional looking packaging box like you are seeing in this video? If so, stay with me till the end of this video. I will show you how to make your own branded packaging box at home. This tutorial is aimed mostly at leathercraft workers and small businesses that don't have big budget to buy packaging boxes from established companies. If you are interested in knowing how to make the branded drawstring bag included in the packaging, check out my previous tutorial video on that. Link on the end screen and in the description. I'm Justice from PaJust. Welcome to my channel. Before we start, I will give you a rundown of materials you need to achieve this project. The first thing you need is a printout of the packaging box patterns. I put a link on where to download the pattern in the description below. Other primary things you need include a masking tape, a stitch marker, a ballpoint metal stylus or modeling tool, a metal rule, and a paperboard sheet, preferable 240 grams per square meter. You also need a cricut mark maker and a vinyl for making your business logo. The first step in the project is to print out the patterns on A4 paper. Make sure that the dimensions are correct by printing the test page first before printing the whole pattern. The test square box should measure 10 by 10 centimeters. The patterns include two parts of the packaging box, the lid and the base. Each of these parts has a numbered guide page that will enable you assemble the pattern correctly. The second step is to cut out the patterns following the dotted lines with scissors mark on it. After cutting the patterns out, you should have them looking like this with a number on each part. The third step is to join the patterns with masking tape, following the numbering on the guide page and numbering on the parts. After joining the parts, cut out the excess paper from the sides and then proceed to the next step. Before we continue to the fourth step, I will plead you to support my channel by subscribing to my channel and clicking the bell notification button. Through this way, you will be up to date whenever I upload educative videos like this. Thanks for your support. The fourth step in the project is to affix your pattern on the paperboard sheet using masking tape. Place the box pattern on your paperboard sheet and tape the four corners to the paperboard using masking tape. Open the thumb holes on the lid pattern using a circular cutter. After that, use an awl to mark where your business logo should be. Then proceed to cut out the pattern on the paperboard following the exterior lines of the pattern. The fifth step is to make a groove line on the paperboard where the box will be folded in. Use your ballpoint metal stylus to make a groove line on the paperboard following the continuous lines on the patterns. The essence of this is to enable you to fold the box uniformly without much stress. After making the grooves, use your stitch marker to make perforated tiny holes on the corner flaps and the outer flaps as shown in the video. These parts need to fold easily so as to reduce the bulkiness of the box. The sixth step is to fold the paperboard into box. Follow the direction in the video and fold the paperboard following the groove lines. Take note of the outer flaps which folds outwards unlike other flaps. You should have a nice and smooth looking box like this when you are done. Follow the steps 1 to 6 and make the base part of the box. Then your packaging box should be looking fabulous and ready to be blended if you wish. To blend the packaging box, use your cricut marker to create your business logo on a vinyl adhesive paper. After that, with the vinyl paper off the cutout parts to reveal your business logo. Place a transfer sheet on the vinyl logo. Remove trapped air bubbles and gently peel off the transfer paper, making sure that every part of the logo is attached to the transfer paper when peeling it off. Place the transfer paper with the logo on your packaging box lid and make sure it is aligned with the points you marked out for the logo on the box. Remove trapped air bubbles and carefully peel off the transfer paper, leaving only the vinyl logo attached to the box. Now you have a professional looking blended packaging box for your products. If this video is helpful to you, please consider subscribing to my channel and give it a like. This helps me with the YouTube algorithm. Don't forget to leave me your comments below and let me know if you have any questions about the steps. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more insightful videos like this.